Okay, well, I'm gonna have to speak up loudly. But do you guys see this? There's steam coming out on the top, out from the top of my head. I was just looking at just like above my forehead, and I was thinking, is there steam coming off the top of my head? Yeah, I can actually see steam coming out from the top of my head. That is crazy. Wow. Well, okay, I think the steam coming from my head has subsided, according to the camera screen. Oh, start up again. Yeah. I used to walk up and down these hills with the greatest of ease. Even by bike. I used to pedal up these hills when I was young. I think I see a little bit of steam. Oh man, I thought that was hilarious. Well, yeah.